In order to obtain information for the data and compliance report, click Generate Full Report on the home page. Select the relevant period to enable the system to generate information in the report section. For example, if you intend to obtain the full report for transactions conducted in year 2023, then the period to be selected is from the 1st of January 2023 to the 31st of December 2023. Turn off the relevant options if you want the system to generate certain information only. Click Apply Filter to enable the system to generate the full report for the selected period. You may also print the information in the full report.